All right, so here is our second EMOM this week. This is the quick overview. I have this PDF in the drive. So first is rocket jumps. You're going to take your legs hip width apart. When you jump down, you're going to kind of bring your arms down, and then when you jump back up, you're going to shoot your arms straight back up. So make sure your weight's in your heels. You're keeping your torso upright. Your next move is a high plank around the world. You're going to get into your high plank position. Don't let your hips sink down, and then you're going to drive your knee inwards and around in a big circle, and then switch legs. Your next move is fast feet into a burpee. So you're going to do some fast feet, jump out into your burpee, and jump back up. This would be a half burpee since we don't have a jump at the top. But you can add that or a push-up at the bottom for some added challenge if this feels like not enough. Next move is a lateral walk with a bear plank. So you're going to get into your bear plank position, and you're basically just going to walk side to side. Make sure you're engaging your core to stabilize you and you're not letting your hips sway side to side. Then lastly, we have ladder in and out jumps. This one's a little different. So this is the footwork version. So it's a lot more footwork, and then this is more of like a jumping jack type thing without the arm movement and a little more cardio. So pick whichever one you prefer.